basically what you do is, if you have 10 of these, I only have 5, but if you have 10, they would equal one of these, and 10 of these would equal one of these, which is a full one, which is equal to 1. So if I had 5 of these, then I would have 5 full numbers. And 9. 8, 9. But now I have 12. So if I have 12, that means I have to take away 10, which is going to leave us with 2 left. But that also means that we have to add another one to the tens place. And now we have to add 7 more to the tens. Alright, now that we added 7, we have 12 again, I think. Oh no, we have 13. So now that we have 13, we have to take away 10. And if we take away 10, that'll leave us with 3 left. And so then we have to take one of these because we had 10 of those, that equals one more of these. So then we add that, now we have 5. But then we have to add another one, so now we have 6 and 32 hundredths. My mistake, sorry guys. Earlier I said it is 6 and 32 hundredths, it's actually 7 and 32 hundredths. Sorry for the mistake, but it's correct. And my subtraction problem is 4 and 43 hundredths minus 2 and 54 hundredths. So first we have to take away 2. That leaves us with 1 hundredth. And then we have to take away 5, but we don't have enough, so we have to take this away. But since we don't have enough, or since we can't do that, we have to add and take 10 of these. Alright, so now we have enough to take it away, because now we have 14. Yeah, 14. 14 minus 5 is 9, so we're going to take away enough to leave us with 9. Alright, now we have 9 left. Put these off to the side. And then we're going to take away 2. Now we take away 2. Now the final answer is 1 and 91 hundredths.
Kyla and I'm from Aurora Middle School. Today we're going to be learning the base 10 blocks system and decimals. Our first problem is 3 and 85 hundredths plus 1 and 86 hundredths. So we're going to take 3 of our ones blocks, over there. Take 8 of our tens, 1, 2, 3, 8, and we'll take 5 of our ones. You can only have 9. You can have up to 9 in each of these, and 10 of these equals one of these, and 10 of these hundredths, or 100 of these hundredths would equal a 1. Likewise, 10 of these would equal to 1. Okay, so we're going to add the 6 first, because you always go from left to right. That's left. And so we're going to add 6 to the hundredths. The only problem here is you can only have up to 9. So, and we have 11 here. So we're going to take away 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And technically you'd put them in here, but it might be easier just to do these. So now we have that correct. Now we need to add 8 to the tens, 8 to 8. We know that's going to be more than 9. It's going to be 16, and so we'll just add it anyway. So now we have 8 more here, and there's 16, and we need to take away 10. So we'll take away, so then we take away 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. And we add one of these blocks to the ones. We now should now have our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it would be, and it should be 5 71/100ths. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we forgot to add one of these to it. So yeah, we forgot to add the 1 to there. So now we have the correct answer with 5 of these, 7 of the tenths, and 1 of the hundredths. So now we're going to be subtracting decimals, and our problem is 58/100ths minus 1 79/100ths. And so we're going to start out with 6 in this category, in the ones, 5 in the tenths, and 8 in the hundredths. Now remember, it's hundredths, not hundreds, or tenths, or ones. It might sound funny trying to pronounce them all, but it's how it's supposed to be. So now we're going to subtract 1 79/100ths from this number, and we would start on this side because you always go left to right. And you quite obviously can't take, that's 8. You can't take 9 from 8, and so we're going to take one of these and stick it in here. But we'll trade it out with this. Now we have 10 in this category, or 10 more, which means we have 18. But you can't have more than 9, and so we're going to subtract, and we finally have enough now to subtract 9 from this category. And we have a grand total of 9. That worked out nicely. Now, we are going to move on to the tenths, and that would be subtracting 7 from 5, and we can't do that, so we'll take one of these, set it in here, but we'll trade it out with this. Okay, and now we have more than what we need, so we're going to subtract the 7 from it. And we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 left. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to move on to the ones. And you can take 1 out of 6, and that'll be easy. Our final answer should be 4 79/100ths. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're done.